So the company Telesin came out with a motorized dolly. It's pretty cool. You put your camera or smartphone on, angle your wheels, and you get shots like this. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and this is a short, not short product review. Straight to the point and no fluff. Opening up the box, you get the motorized dolly, which feels real solid and has a good weight to it. You get extra wheel rings, 1/4 inch to 3/8 screw adapter, USB-C charging cable, an Allen wrench, a remote control, and of course, a manual on how to use it. So after you charge it all up, you pop your camera on up to 3 kilograms or your smartphone, and you're ready to get some awesome shots. Now, I recommend getting a ball head to adjust your shots a little bit better. Depending on how big your camera is, you can use anything from a small ball head to a bigger one. And Telesin does have a really good one, and I'll put links to everything down in the description, plus a 10% off coupon code and a surprise link, so do check that out. Now, what's really cool is you can shoot at any curve angle or straight line. You just adjust the wheels right here to get the perfect angle. And there's a power button on this side, and then on the other side you have a speed level button, and there are 5 speeds, so you can go from slow to fast and anywhere in between. And if you press this button right here, you can actually change the direction. And you can control this from the dolly itself, or you can use the remote control from up to 10 meters. It's a great way to capture some really creative shots when you don't have the room or patience or finances for a motorized slider. But that's it for today's short, not short product review. Don't be a stranger to the channel, and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.